Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set location for new games to add at the beginning or at the end in game launcher on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe up to go into the app screen and open up the game launcher. Next, expand my games by tapping on the right arrow, and then tap on the option key at the top. From the pop-up menu, tap on set location for new games, and then in here choose at the beginning or at the end. So choose where new games will appear in your library, so you can choose at the end or at the beginning. And then tap on the back key to go back to your game launcher homepage. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.